Subscribe to Breaking Ground with Here and press the bell icon for latest updates from our channel.
In this video, you'll learn the easiest way to make thumbnail in Urdu. So all you need to do is that open your Play Store and download PicsArt. As I have already downloaded it, so it will be appearing as an open on my screen. So now I'll be opening PicsArt. After opening the PicsArt, you will see a plus button on your screen. आपने इस plus button पे click करना है. It will direct you to another window. वहाँ जाके आपने अपना canvas pick करना है. As you have picked canvas, अब यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारे different canvases show होंगे, but you need to pick 1280 into 1040 for your YouTube thumbnail. So आप इसको select करेंगे. After that, you need to click on that arrow. वहाँ से आप edit image पे जाएंगे and then you need to go to the tools and then crop the canvas. क्योंकि आपको YouTube के लिए चाहिए, so you need to set it as 1280 into 720. After setting it at 1280 into 720, you will select the different strips जिन पे आप अपना text लिखना चाहते हैं. So you will be going to add photos. As you can see that there are different photos in my gallery. I have downloaded it from Google, like download yellow background or black background. So I have selected the red one. इसको select करने के बाद आप इसकी width और length अपने according रख सकते हैं कि आपको कितनी strip चाहिए. So I'll be doing it according to my need. You can see that I have set it on my screen. After that, I'll be going to the add photos again and I'm going to select another background that is of blue color and setting it as an other strip. You can see that there are so many other options like opacity, crop, flip or rotate. So choice is yours that if you want to edit it. After setting the second strip, now I will be going to the text. As you can see another option below that is of text, so I'll be going there. मैंने already अपना text लिख के रखा है, so I'll be just going to the clipboard and paste it here. As corona cases की असल वजूहात मंजरे आम पर, so I have selected this text. अब इसको मैं अपनी red strip पे लेके जाऊंगी. Now I will set its size according to my requirement and then I'll be changing its font style. Jameel Noori. So I have selected the font style. Now I will be going to the stroke and setting it with the black one. As you can see. And while making your thumbnail, make sure that it must be appealing and attractive. और आपकी statement ऐसी होनी चाहिए जो कि reader को attract करे. Now I am going to write down another statement. That is कोरोना से निजात के लिए दवाई बिल्कुल फ्री. So I'll be dragging it to the blue strip. It's here. And then I'm going to edit the text with the stroke, opacity. As you can see that there are different colors, stroke, opacity, blend, shadow. There are so many different options. So choice is yours. You can edit it according to your own choice and your own requirement. But I think to me that white color is more appealing on the blue strip, so I have set it as a white color. और इसका stroke भी मैं black ही रखूँगी या मैं red कर देती हूँ because red is also fine. Opacity में you can set it आपको कितना transparent करना है. You can also add shadows. There are variety of options in the colors, so you need to select colors and then you can see that there are 3 more options: color, gradient and texture. You can add texture in your text. There are different textures and they're very beautiful as you can see it on my screen. So if you want to select any texture, you will just click on that. Now let's add the photos according to our statement. So I'll be going to the add photos. I have downloaded it from Google. One is of vaccine and the other is of patient. So I'll set it on my screen, on my canvas. After setting it, now I am going to select another image that is of a patient. I have already downloaded it from Google. So you need to go to add photos and select the picture. At this point, if you want to add your own picture in your thumbnail, so you can do it with just one click. For that, you need to find out a link in the description. Okay, so I have set the second picture here. As you can see that there are different options like border, frame, shape, free crop. I have added 2 images in my thumbnail. Now I need to add another text. So I'll be clicking on the text and there I'm going to paste it. Dawai ab ghar pahunchegi. So I'll just paste it and set it on my screen. Here I need to tell you one more thing, that Jameel Noori is not already installed in your PicsArt, so you need to install it. For that you can watch another video. Link is already mentioned in the description. Now I will give bright yellow color to the text because I think it will be more appealing. As you can see that there are so many different colors. So I have picked up yellow and I'll be setting the stroke black one to make it appealing. In a single thumbnail, I have added 2 strips, 3 texts and 2 images. As you can see it on the screen. So thumbnail is all ready to be uploaded on the YouTube. So you need to save it. As you can see it on the screen, just click on the button save picture on your device and it will be saved in your gallery. I hope you will like it. Thank you.